We finally have Anonymous. 31 minutes after 10. Let's bring on Anonymous without wasting any more time. Good morning, Anonymous.
Morning.
Are you driving, Anonymous?
No, I'm not driving.
All right. Are we on speakerphone? There's an echo that we're getting here.
Yes, you guys are on speakerphone.
Do you mind taking us off speakerphone, please, and put the phone on your ear?
Let me do that.
Thank you. While she does that, let's read the house rules. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
I do agree.
Thank you so much. Anonymous, this is your time. What's happening?
So I met this guy back in 2022, and then we started dating. So at that time I wasn't working, right? And then we both graduated later on the year, and then it happened that I got a job first. And then now that's where things started to change, right? Because now when I met him, he was working, and then he ended up not working due to the fact that he wanted to explore this trading wealth. So he said that he wanted to trade and all of that, right? And then now it happens that I got a job after we both graduated. So things have been tricky because now he feels like, firstly, I'm bruising his ego for the fact that I earn more than what he currently has or what he currently gets. And then another thing, it's a thing of we had a daughter sometime last year, so I gave birth. So now it's a thing of I need to take care of my daughter, and also he has this expectation of me having to come back, clean the house, do the wifely duty while I come back from work. So my argument was that I can't do, I'm getting what's by board, right? So I can't provide, I can't take care of our daughter, meaning that I have to prepare her for her crash and stuff, and then also like come back from work and clean and all of that. So we recently had a fallout whereby he asked me for a 50 rand, right? So I said to him, no man, I don't have it. And then that's where he said that I don't care about him. I'm not understanding what he's going through. So I was like, I know probably it sounded rude, but I was like, no man, like I'm not your mother, so you can't expect me to carry your financial burdens, right? So he was like, yeah, that's not how a girlfriend should be. You need to be able to be there for me emotionally and financially while I'm still trying to find myself and all of that. If I can take it back, he received like a large lump sum of money, right, whereby he got a huge money, and then he only gave me 2,000 of that money that he received. So he received about 40,000. So he only gave me 2,000, and then he spent that money on trading, whereby he didn't make any profit on it. So he was like, yeah, you remember when I had money, I gave you money on all of that. I'm like, dude, I only got 2,000 of that money. It's not like you gave me like a fair share amount of that money, right? So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I don't know, because I decided to call things off. It has been a week without any contact. So I don't know, man, because I feel bad. I don't want to raise my daughter without a father, but also it's a thing of, do I choose myself in this situation? Because there is a lot. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I have another kid outside our relationship, right? So he found me with them. So while I was busy staying with him, he called me an irresponsible mother. So he said that I leave my kid to spend time with him, right? So I don't know, man. Like, I do love the guy. But how things are going, I think also for my mental health, I need to be in a position whereby I can choose myself for my kids, because I believe that they deserve a happy mother.
He's a boyfriend. He's a boyfriend, yes, correct? Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yes, he is a boyfriend. So if it means I need to choose myself, I think I'm at the point whereby I need to do that, because this thing of him not working, he's using that to be a victim. because everything with him, he becomes, he gets mad. I bruise his ego and all of that, while I'm also trying my best. Because now he asked me to borrow him a laptop so that he can be busy like with doing all of these things. Guess what? This guy went and sold my laptop.
He pawned your laptop.
I don't know.
Yeah.
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 I'm a forex. Okay.
Anonymous.
Yes, Sumkaka.
Hey, I've got 35 questions, but I'll start with 2.
Okay.
Okay.
The first one, why did you decide to choose yourself now? Why didn't you choose yourself in the beginning?
The thing is, it's a thing of hoping, man, good things will get better, right?
you're
And
hoping
also
for the
you are
bell.
selling me this dream of, Sizoba right, you will be fine, you'll be living the best life and all of that.
Potential, yes.
So I see, man, it's 4 years down the line, but
Yes.
still we are on the same
Nice.
place where we started. There isn't any improvement. And when you tell him to get a job and all of that, Uzoba like, no, mina ngifuna ukusebenza umlungu. So uyabona ukuthi
Okay, Nyaguza. So your name is Hope. You're hoping for the bell. So
I am.
Hope Mbele.
Hope
All right. Secondly, this one, just to start out a warning, the views channels here are not on station Sumizi Sevraj, right? Yeah, I'm just making a disclaimer with the views are for me, not for the station, right?
Yeah.
Because it might be a controversial question and a controversial statement, right?
Okay. Yes.
At what point do women, this time it's for women, and you know what, I'm pro women, right?
Yeah.
Most of the time you can defend. At what point do some women, not all women, at what point do some women take accountability that the guy they've met, they realize 2 weeks down the line, Guti, is never going to be good for them, but they force things, they hope for things, they expect that person to change when they themselves know very well, Guti, how difficult it is for them to change. One. At what point do women take accountability before some women, again, you see there's this trend that I go only, right? You could be one of them next week posting this guy when you knew.
I was enabling the behavior.
When you knew from day one, this guy is not capable of even honoring himself.
Yeah.
Then you are going to be one of them that posts him and says Ago only and playing the victim and not take the accountability. And I'm not saying all the women that say Ago only are playing the victim. But you are going to be one of the women that are going to say Ago only. You've got a child with this man. You had a child with another man and you did not learn a lesson to say first things first. But you created a child with this man who at no point shows signs of being capable of providing. It was always borrow me this, I'm going to do this, da-da-da-da-da-da. But then you're going to sit here and now cry victim. When are you going to say, I am or I played probably even a bigger role in getting myself into the situation I'm in right now?
Yeah. Yeah, Somchi, you're right. Like, I did realize that a while back, but still, I also let myself to have a kid with this man. So that one, I totally take accountability of, and I do acknowledge the fact that I did also enable certain behaviors from him.
You know, to come to her defense, there's also nothing wrong with a woman that feels that, hey, I'm capable of raising kids, so I'm going to have as many kids as I want because I know I can take care of them on my own. Right?
That's selfish.
But I mean, I don't want to say, hey, when are we don't want to blame her. She had those kids because she wanted the kids and she knew she could take care of the kids.
That's
Done.
selfish.
Doesn't matter. And then Anonymous, you made me laugh when you said you used to go work, come back, and have to cook and clean, and then you told him you are not Imbogoto. So what is your definition? It's Women's Month. Ngcela, give us your definition of Imbogoto too in your relationship. This Imbogoto that you refuse to be.
I need to provide. come back, do clean, take care of him,
Yeah.
and then still prepare for the next morning to go to work.
You are
Yeah,
not
understand,
Imbogo.
Leon.
Yeah, understand. You are not Imbogo, ne? You need help. We need assistance. When you have a partner, there needs to be a partnership in the house to take care of things, etc. And
Yeah.
when your partner doesn't play their part, and it doesn't mean it needs to be a financial part. When they don't when they don't play their part in a relationship, it just means they're not interested.
Hmm. So naked. The thing is, at first he used to do that, right? Like he didn't mind, like changing nappies, taking care of our daughter, and all of that, making food. But now he only decided. Recently said that now he can't do it anymore, right? And those dynamics were working for us.
Wait.
Mhm.
Kids' nappies need to be changed.
Yes.
So it's not, there's no bartering here where it says, at first I didn't mind. What do you mean you don't mind? You have a child. The nappies need to be changed. Changing nappies has no gender. It's not a gender specific role. I change my baby's nappies. And trust me, I don't need to be gender tested. I'm a man. But my baby's nappies need to be changed. Why should he be praised? Because at first he was doing it. He's supposed to. He's supposed to feed the child. He's supposed to burp the child.
Yeah, because that's the question that I asked him, that you only realized that now, Guti, you can't do it anymore, but at first you were able to do it. So, and he has this thing of, no, it means we can't even live together because now when our phone cleaner, you don't want to cook.
You should have said,
I'm like, dude, I'm tired.
No, but
I'm
that's
tired.
when you should have said, yes, we can't live together because I can't do everything. But now, Angisho, we are mtanda.
Hey, and then I'm
that's the problem. Manje, Anonymous, please explain this. He's a trader thing. Like, Forex, we are poster.
Yes.
Does his car have
So-
e-rep?
No. So he hasn't reached that point of posting because he hasn't made money out of it.
Ish.
He hasn't made money out of it, but yeah, he still tries.
So when he calls, look, I don't, anything that says trading, I just totally avoid it, ne? And then even Abantu, I don't even want to befriend traders because nyasaba.
Yeah.
So explain it. Like, do you guys know about trading, Somizi? When do you know about trading? Is it like Forex? Basebenza phela abantu, do they work from home? Is there an office? Is it like, do you trade at the JSE? Is it like the New York Stock Exchange? Kwenzakala Anonymous, when Anje, this guy used to just talk to you and scam you, because there are also those scammers that say, hey, fagi mali, and then I can triple your money, whatever, which is why he's only made 4,000 since 2022.
At least he made 40,000.
Yeah, but don't say he made it. He scammed 40,000. Like, how did he make that 40,000?
I don't know. Can't answer for him.
So he buys those accounts, right, whereby there will be people selling accounts for you to use to trade. So he does that. So that's where a lot of money goes. Because Utengala account, the next thing he will blow the account.
Anonymous.
So yeah.
Tina, maybe people that are familiar with that will call us. But you know what? He gambled with his money and your money. Where now you are gambling with your life and your kids' livelihood to be with him. No, itu niyafana nje. Yeah, now trade Forex. When I trader in
your life.
Yeah.
No,
niyafana. Niyagambula no itu.
Nice.
So then, as a mother of two that is raising two kids by herself, now this is where you decide, do I continue to gamble or do I play it safe? Imali noma ibhokisi.
At this point, like in Katele, like I'm tired.
Now I'm tired. Now I'm tired for you.
I'm really tired because young blackmail and emotional because he will say that I don't care and all of that.
We are scammer. This guy, he's scamming you emotionally, like how he's scamming people out of their money. Anonymous. I almost said wake up from the eggs. But Vuga sisi.
Yeah, I think it's about time because I broke it off, but there's this thing of one. I want to call him so bad so that we can fix things, but there's nothing to fix
there's nothing
in
to
reality.
fix. Let me tell you now, if we gave you the whole day, so open a day link up, a touchdown, and then the sugar Andy and Nera Faith, you would still be complaining. If we gave you the whole day to complain, trust me, you would still complain about this guy the whole day. Right? But Sisi, as a grown-up, at a certain point, you need to say, let me stop complaining and start living my life. Let me start living my life and start living my life for these kids. They need food on the table, a roof over their heads, clothes.
Yeah.
Let me do what's right by them. This one, young scammer. This one, I can't trust this one. Would do it.
Yeah.
And then do what's right by you and the kids. And don't look back, Anonymous. Mara udlile le 2000 udleka mnandi. Uthenge nge 2000. What did you get with that 2000? At least when you dump him, at least when you dump him, you're like, at least le 2000 yakhe ngayidla. You know?
Anonymous.
Guys, it's not fun.
Anoni.
Hey, Swami.
Yes, my baby. So where are the kids? Are they with you?
Yeah, they are currently with me. So I moved back Ekaya.
Nice one.
So they're currently with me.
All right. Okay.
But I need to go and fetch my things.
Yeah.
So it's stress. So ngicabanga nokuthi uzongicare futhi. Uthatha no man ngizoba right. And then 2 years down the line we are on the same spot again.
All right. Yeah, you need to be strong in terms of sticking to your decisions.
Yeah.
Because anything that takes you back to him is a waste of time. Complete waste of time. How old are you now?
I'm 31.
Okay. It's a complete waste of time. Think about your children. Think about yourself. And learn from this. If you're not learning any lessons from this, then you are as good as not calling us at all, you know?
Yeah.
So you need to really take it seriously and prioritize yourself and the well-being of your children.
Yeah.
Don't fall for anything, Sissy. Don't fall for anything. And my message to, since it's Women's Month, to women, including yourself, is that stop neglecting your self-esteem. Stop neglecting your self-esteem. Every day must be a self-esteem booster day. Every day. Find something that you love about yourself. Every day, discover something that you love about yourself so that you get to a level where you see Ish for what it is. You don't see Ish as some decorating or decorative element. You point it out, you walk away from Ish because you love yourself wholeheartedly, that you only deserve to have everything wholeheartedly. Everything beautiful. Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, my baby. All the best, ne?
Thank you.
You are welcome, sis.
Thank you so much, Anonymous. Please continue listening through your radio for more advice, okay, Anonymous?
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, Mama. You know what to do. Give us a call. What advice do you have for Anonymous? 086,000 2160. Your voice notes on 060 552 7303. It's Blackstreet. Money can't buy me love. 086,000 2160. What advice do you have for Anonymous? TT out in Sandton. Morning.
Hi, good on the team. How are you?
Hey, good on you.
Sharp. Two things quickly. I think the first one is I couldn't agree more with Sumgaga that she needs to take responsibility for having picked up the issue in the beginning and decided to not deal with it. She can't act surprised now, right? It's something that she always knew, but she decided to ignore her instincts. That's one. Number two, these guys that are nonchalant, that don't care, they are so lucky around a woman, eh? Like they're attracted, they're very, very, very lucky. Like they are so, so, so lucky. But anyway, conclusion, she just leaves on her kids.
Oh, TT's line. You can hear that he's driving, but we got the gist of his advice. Let's head on over to Lucky out in Kagiso. Lucky.
Hi, sanibona ninjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila. Mina, what I would like to say to Sis Anonymous is that siswami lento yenzilayo ukuthi go wrong. I've seen it with myself when it comes to this thing here forex and amadoda aba forex sibanale ego yokuthi we're going to make a lot of money because of what social media is actually showing off. But the way ngibona ngakhona ubhuti makathenga ama accounts awablower, which means akakwazi ukutrader. He needs to actually fight ukuthi yazi what I can say right now, I haven't been working for a long time, but I managed to buy a car ngemali forex and I'm doing Uber on top of that. What I can say is that angagijimeli ukuthi enze imali eyisamba so that he can run ngemoto ezinjanjani. 500 a day, that would help a brother ukuthi akhona ukuthi athi amithe usisi halfway. If forex is not something ukuthi ungayithatha ngamawa.
500 a day.
Whoa. Thanks, Putram.
I'm telling you,
Hold
that's
on.
what I do.
Hold on.
Lucky.
Yes.
Siyabonga sithando sami ngoba sekwenye segment manje lena uyeza kukhutsi financial zakazanga ufone yezwa bhuti sayinida.
Spot on.
Mara manje sikhuluma nge-heart to heart. Yo bese kasishaya ngama details ngigcina ngijoinile nami.
Just for a mere 500 a day, you can have your own Uber.
That is 15,000 rands a month.
It's
And
something.
who must the 500 a day come
No,
from?
guys, can we focus
From-
on it? Oh,
From Anonymous. Okay,
okay. I see where you're going.
No.
Yeah.
Let's go to Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous.
It's Anonymous here.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah, guys, it's my first time on radio.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Diabolisa Naked.
Tata.
It's many times, guys, we've been listening to Ask a Man, and we've been finding out that the woman is always being Somi is coming up with these words that women should not be selling themselves short to men. And I feel like Anonymous is doing the exact Orlando Cicelo is doing the exact same thing. And she's knowledge that guy is trading into her now. So it's high time really that women need to start prioritizing themselves. And also with this Abundli, really she will be on the next show next time about this issue about Abundli Abantu. I think that's why you have 2 cents about it.
Thank
I'm a bit nervous.
No, you did very well for
Very proud.
for your first time.
Yeah.
And you didn't even,
I liked
you didn't
it.
even finish quickly.
I
You
know,
were-
but I liked it. We liked it. It was a good
All
round.
right, then.
It was a good round. All right. Can we wrap it up, guys?
Actually, yes. Let's wrap it up. I want to talk about winter fashion, guys. You know? Yazini ne?
Naked.
Somizi Pagama Bagbone Mgam. Like, guys, you should see Usomizi, Uboya Baga Somizi on the Metro FM Instagram page and social media pages. Today, you are. Ishloboya man, Inguka Naboya. What does that mean, Khupedi?
Explaining that.
Okay.
I just want. I need you to tell me what's your understanding of mngam.
Muntu wami ke,
Okay.
Pagama Bagbone.
Uthe mngami kimi lo
Awumzwanga kanti.
Awu phela nawumuhle so today.
Njengoba umoyezela nje.
kancane uyaphuma.
You know what you look like, something.
Yes. What's that? I can't hear.
You got money in the bank.
Okay.
Yes. We dress according to our salaries at Metro FM.
Yo.
Yeah.
No.
Yes. Uyabonakala ufola less la nge-Trickster Green.
That's me. I'll take it. Rather that. Think good yang namal. It's fine.
Okay, Solantis. What is sport Solantis ne? Koni sport.
Akusutshwala.
Koni tavern ne?
Utshwala.
No, koni tavern but
Wawubuza mina ngama tavern. Hayi man.
let me go to my mansion. Oh, not to mansion.
Wow.
Nina nihlala kuma complex.
Wow. That's a complex situation.
Okay. Let's go, Kuto.
See happy. Where we going?
Let's go home. Shem, life is not fair.
Why you say that?
I'm leaving now, and you still have to stay.
And I'm glad, man.
Yeah.
I'd rather be here.
Ne? At least
We can't exhaust the show's budget, you know. We can't have you for 3 hours.
No, you can't.
Imagine.
No, you
Imagine.
can't. Honestly, you can't.
No.
To be for real. You'll get there one day if you live long enough.
If.
Yes. Phela Nina. Anytime. Anytime.
Okay, we've exhausted the hour. We good.
Yeah.
Sharp.
please.
Okay.
Time for the news.